buying crypto on Kraken is actually very simple, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to buy crypto on Kraken, you would need to create and verify an account, deposit funds, and then place a buy order. Now, if you've not created and verified your account yet, you can check out other videos from my account. But once you're able to create and verify your account and you've deposited funds, what you're going to do is you're going to log in to your Kraken account. And once you're logged in, on the far right, you see a dialog box and it has headers that says buy, sell, and convert. What we want to do is we want to go to the buy header. And from here, we're going to choose the cryptocurrency that we want to buy. So once we click on this arrow next to the crypto, you're going to see another dialog box and it's going to say all crypto and forex. So we're going to click on crypto, and here you can either search or you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to buy from the list. Now let's say we want to buy USDT. Once we click on USDT, here we're going to input the amount that we want to buy. And once we input the amount, we're going to come to the bottom of the dialog box and we're going to see pay with. Now this is where you're going to choose the method that you're going to pay with. Now you can, if you deposited money into your account, then you can use your account balance to pay. Else you're going to have to use your bank account to pay. And if you choose the option for the bank account, you're going to be asked to review your transaction. Once you click on review, it's going to open up another dialog box with a review of your transaction, and it's going to state the fee that Kraken is going to charge you, and you're going to see the total amount that you're going to pay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on, I understand that I won't be able to withdraw this purchase for 7 days. And once you click on it, you're going to click on confirm. And just like that, you've been able to buy crypto on Kraken. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.